In August of 2020, we flew down to Miami, Florida to pick up my BMW 340i and then drove it 1,400 miles back to Michigan. Here's what's happened since.
Can I get a picture with you guys?
Yeah, for sure.
So this car has been my interpretation of an OEM Plus build. We used a lot of genuine BMW and performance parts, especially throughout the interior. The Buice V16 suspension is a massive improvement over stock and gives you a huge range of adjustability. Even down to the Apex forged wheels, they're a lot lighter than the aluminum wheels offered from BMW, but they still maintain that sort of factory design. To me, the best thing about this build is it's still 100% functional. Yes, you can take it out and tear up some back roads and have a lot of fun, but you can also fill it up with luggage and drive it across the country getting 30 mpg. It can be easy to get carried away with a build and end up with a car that's actually less practical than what you started with, but to me, daily drivability was always a high priority. Huge thank you to Keys Motorsports for not only sponsoring this entire build, but Brian, the owner, was actually in some of the videos and he was really excited to help me out with some of the installs. I'm going to have a really detailed list of all the parts down in the description if you guys want to check those out. Working with Keys on this project has been a huge blessing. I would not have been able to do all of those mods in such a short amount of time if it weren't for their support. And it just blows my mind, like thinking back to where this channel was just a few years ago when I was getting started compared to now. I'm just so grateful for each and every one of you tuning into my videos every week. So I still have some big plans for the 340i. It's not going anywhere just yet, but I thought it was at a good stage to make a video like this and kind of compile all these memories and have this stuff to look back on. So if you just stumbled across this video, subscribe for more BMW content and you can follow me on Instagram @JustinBuice. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.